Wanna know how to use switch cases in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use switch cases to handle multiple conditions. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. In this video, I've used an online compiler. So if you have official Java installed, or you can use an applications like VS Code for it as well. The process is same. Right now, we have this conditional code right here, which uses switch case. Now we create an integer day with the value of 3 right here. Now once that is done, switch day checks each case. If it matches 3, it prints one state. Each case ends with a break to stop checking further. If no case matches, a default runs, sort of like an else statement, where it prints out invalid day. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.